Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should tap the install button to get the green Apple keyboard up. So after that, just tap the open button, click to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap twice to OK, and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and now let's just check new keyboard look. So we could see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.